Hello guys, welcome back to this course. In the last video, we have seen the predicate. The problem with the predicate is the output of predicate is either true or false. But what else if I need output integer or a string? So then we need to explore this function interface. What exactly this function interface? Let's explore this. Okay, let me write this function. Let me open this. We know that this function is a interface. That is nothing but functional interface. It should have only a single abstract method. That abstract method is apply. So if you look at, we have a t and r. R is the return type. That means you can return either string or integer or boolean, whatever you want. The t is the input. Okay. Now we have as a two default methods as well. One is compose, the other one is and then, and we have one static method as well. Okay, let's explore this function. Okay, so we know that the functional interface, it takes input and returns the output. Okay, fine. Now let's explore this. First thing, we need to provide what is your input type. My input type is string. That means I'm passing the string. What is your output type? I'm passing the integer. So I'm expecting integer. Okay, let's see this. F equal to, I have to provide the variable for taking the input. I'm providing the variable as str. Okay, now let's see. Return, okay, str dot length. Okay, so what that function interface is doing here is it is taking the string as input and it is returning the length of that string. Okay, so the length of string would be integer and we are passing the string. Now let's check this. Sys.out, we already know that the abstract method is apply. We need to pass string. Let's pass the ABC. Now we already know that the length of string is 3. Do a control F11. We got the 3. See, we got the output 3. So that means we successfully covered the functional interface. Okay, now let's check for the by function. We'll see what this by function is going to do. Let's first explore this by function. If you carefully see, right, this by function, we have a t, u and r. Okay, so what it's going to do, let's see here. We have as a one abstract method that is apply. We already know this by function is the functional interface. It should have as a only one abstract method. That abstract method is apply. Okay, we have to pass the two inputs. One is t, one is u, and we have a return type that is r. Okay, you can carefully see here. Okay, now we have one default method as well. Okay, this is also fine. Okay, now let's explore this by function. I have to pass two inputs. Okay, so I'm telling that I'm passing the two inputs. Those two are strings. My return type is boolean. Okay, so basically what I'm doing here is I'll check if these two strings are equal or not. Okay, I'll name it as by function equal to, I have to give the variable names. That means I'm using the lambda expression, that is str1 comma str2. Okay, now what I'm going to do here is I have to return whether these two strings equal or not. Okay, that ultimately returns true or false. Okay, let me use the equals ignore as well. Equals ignore case. Okay, so now what this by function is doing, this by function will take the two strings and will check whether those two strings are equal or not. Okay, that's what we did here. Let's test this. I'm doing sys.out.println. Okay, bif.apply. Now let's pass those two strings. I'm passing ABC. I'll pass ABC as well. Let me comment this. I'll save this. I'll press Ctrl F11. See, we got the true. What exactly is happened here is we checked basically, that is ABC equal to ABC. So ultimately we got the true. Okay, this is what the by function and function interface. That's all for this video. See you in the next video.